Hi, everyone, and welcome to Strategic Marketing, a course in your MBA program. My name is Michelle.
And my name is Kim Moller.
We're your instructors for this session, and I will be teaching Cohort A, and Kim will be teaching Cohort B. And even though there's two separate cohorts, we just want you to know that we follow the same exam, the same deliverables, we use the same grading rubrics. We have PowerPoint presentations throughout each week, and we write them together and we record them alternating weeks. So it's very much a collaborative process between us and the two cohorts. So it's consistent around the deliverables and the information. Kim and I have been teaching this for...
Yeah, I think it's coming up to about 10 years.
Yeah.
In all, if we count every single delivery.
We're an old hat, old shoe at teaching this course, and so you can be comfortable in that we're consistent in our delivery methods. So maybe I'll start off by talking a little bit about myself, and then Kim can introduce himself. So I spent about 15 years or so in industry working for Procter & Gamble, a small little global corporation. I did some market research and some sales and some HR training and a variety of different marketing functions while I worked for them. Also did my MBA while I was an employee for the company. I came in with a BA, which I don't talk about very much. And at the moment I'm in the middle of my PhD in education, where I'm all but dissertation, so I'm in my research phase, and I hope to be done next year, which may be around the same time that you're done your MBA and we can celebrate together. Yay! So I certainly understand the balancing act between studying and balancing that with life and family and everything that is involved. And so please feel free to contact me if you have any questions or concerns, if I can help you in that regards.
Yeah, and like Michelle, I have significant experience in both industry and academia. I've worked in Colgate-Palmolive company as a brand manager, worked in international advertising industry, had my own company, came to Victoria from Europe like 15 years ago, and got in contact with Royal Roads University, and I've been here ever since in different roles, as you can see when you browse through our bios on the Moodle site. At this point in time, I'm involved with the Faculty of Management, teaching most of the marketing courses here at the university.
Yeah, we encourage you to go and have a quick look at our bios, which is on the home page of the Moodle site. And as well, we're going to talk a little bit about marketing, because Kim and I are very passionate about marketing, about the exploration around that. We love the topic. It's ever-changing, dynamic, keeps us very engaged. We're hoping that when you're done this course, you will feel just as passionate about it as we do, take the opportunity to explore the concepts.
And we hope to inspire you to look at marketing as well. From different perspectives. Really, marketing is a discipline that touches basically every single other function or discipline within an organization, and from that perspective, we're going to take you from a strategic point of view through a decision-making process down to an implementation perspective, and so that we will discover and explore that whole process from overall analysis through strategy, through implementation, and through a marketing mix.
And we'll have fun.
And we'll have fun.
And we'll have fun while we're doing it.
Yeah.
We'll also have the opportunity to get to know you a little bit more through our collaborative sessions. So we have 4 scheduled throughout the 9 weeks. And so we'll have a chance to chat with you live in a session, 4 of them during the term, and we look forward to be able to talk personally with you and get to know your interests. And we really encourage you to engage with the material and to post your questions and reflect and make the experience one of great value.
Yeah, we oftentimes talk about the opportunity that we all have to engage, because when you think about it, how often do you really have an opportunity to be in the same room with 40, 50 experienced professionals, and when do you have that opportunity to share your ideas or ask questions or reflect on how the discussions and how different people's inputs and recommendations how they apply to your own organization, how it applies to your own industry and your own company. So this is a great opportunity for us all to engage.
So we look forward to seeing you and exploring marketing with you over the next 9 weeks.
We certainly do.
Bye for now.
Welcome.